Change is the only constant in the business world. As industries evolve, technologies advance, and market dynamics shift, businesses must adapt to stay relevant and competitive. The ability to navigate and thrive in a dynamic business environment is essential for long-term success. This video explores strategies and principles that can help individuals and organizations effectively adapt to change and turn challenges into opportunities. Understanding the nature of change. Change in the business environment can be driven by various factors, including technological advancements, economic fluctuations, regulatory updates, and shifting consumer preferences. Understanding the nature of these changes is the first step toward effective adaptation. Organizations that proactively monitor trends and anticipate changes are better positioned to respond swiftly and strategically. Embracing a growth mindset. A growth mindset, as popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck, is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. In a business context, this mindset encourages continuous learning and resilience in the face of challenges. Employees and leaders with a growth mindset view change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. This attitude fosters innovation, adaptability, and a willingness to experiment with new ideas. Cultivating agility. Agility is the ability to move quickly and easily in response to changing circumstances. In business, agility means being able to pivot strategies, processes, and products to meet evolving market demands. Agile organizations prioritize flexibility and speed, often adopting methodologies like agile project management and lean principles. These frameworks promote iterative development, cross-functional collaboration, and a focus on delivering value to customers. Building a resilient culture. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. A resilient organizational culture is one that can withstand and adapt to disruptions while maintaining core functions and values. Building resilience involves fostering a supportive and inclusive work environment where employees feel valued and empowered to contribute. Providing resources for professional development, mental health support, and clear communication channels are key components of a resilient culture. Leveraging technology. Technological advancements are a significant driver of change in the modern business landscape. Organizations that leverage technology effectively can gain a competitive edge. This involves not only adopting the latest tools and platforms, but also integrating them into existing workflows and processes. Data analytics, artificial intelligence, and automation are powerful technologies that can enhance decision-making, streamline operations, and create new business opportunities. Enhancing leadership skills. Effective leadership is crucial for navigating change. Leaders must be able to inspire and guide their teams through periods of uncertainty and transformation. This requires strong communication skills, emotional intelligence, and the ability to make tough decisions under pressure. Leaders who demonstrate transparency, empathy, and a clear vision can foster trust and confidence among employees, making it easier to implement change initiatives. Encouraging innovation. Innovation is the engine of growth and adaptation. Organizations that encourage creativity and experimentation are more likely to develop breakthrough solutions and stay ahead of the competition. This involves creating an environment where employees feel safe to take risks and challenge the status quo. Implementing innovation programs, such as hackathons, idea incubators, and cross-functional teams, can stimulate new thinking and drive continuous improvement. Managing change effectively. Change management is the discipline of guiding and transitioning individuals, teams, and organizations from a current state to a desired future state. Effective change management involves clear planning, communication, and execution. It requires understanding the human side of change and addressing the concerns and resistance that may arise. Using change management models, such as Kotter's 8-step process or Lewin's change management model, can provide a structured approach to implementing change initiatives successfully. Fostering collaboration. Collaboration is essential for adapting to change. When teams work together, they can leverage diverse perspectives and expertise to solve complex problems. Promoting a collaborative culture involves breaking down silos, encouraging knowledge sharing, and facilitating open communication. Collaboration tools, such as project management software and virtual meeting platforms, can enhance teamwork and enable remote and hybrid work arrangements. Continuous learning and development. The pace of change in the business world requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Continuous learning and development ensure that employees remain up to date with industry trends, new technologies, and best practices. Organizations can support continuous learning by offering training programs, workshops, and access to online courses. Encouraging employees to pursue certifications, attend conferences, and participate in professional networks can also enhance their skills and knowledge. Adapting to market changes. Market dynamics can shift rapidly, influenced by factors such as consumer behavior, economic conditions, and competitive pressures. To adapt to market changes, organizations must stay attuned to customer needs and preferences. Conducting market research, analyzing customer feedback, and monitoring competitor activities are essential for identifying trends and opportunities. Developing a customer-centric approach, where products and services are tailored to meet evolving demands, can help businesses remain relevant and competitive. Strategic planning and flexibility. Strategic planning is essential for setting long-term goals and aligning resources to achieve them. However, in a dynamic business environment, flexibility within strategic planning is equally important. Organizations must be willing to adjust their strategies in response to changing circumstances. This involves regularly reviewing and updating strategic plans, setting contingency plans, and being open to new opportunities that align with the organization's vision and mission. The role of communication. Effective communication is a cornerstone of successful change management. Clear, transparent, and timely communication helps build trust, reduce uncertainty, and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Leaders should communicate the reasons for change, the benefits it will bring, and the steps involved in the transition. Providing regular updates, soliciting feedback, and addressing concerns can facilitate a smoother change process and increase employee buy-in. Balancing short-term and long-term goals. In a dynamic business environment, organizations must balance short-term and long-term goals. While it's important to address immediate challenges and opportunities, maintaining a focus on long-term objectives ensures sustainable growth and success. This requires strategic foresight, resource allocation, and the ability to prioritize initiatives that align with the organization's long-term vision. Developing a learning organization. A learning organization is one that continuously transforms itself by facilitating the learning of its members and continuously transforming itself to respond to changes in the environment. This concept, introduced by Peter Senge in his book, The Fifth Discipline, emphasizes the importance of systems thinking, personal mastery, mental models, shared vision, and team learning. In a learning organization, employees are encouraged to think critically, question assumptions, and work collaboratively to solve problems and innovate. Scenario planning and risk management. Scenario planning involves envisioning different future scenarios and developing strategies to address them. This proactive approach helps organizations prepare for uncertainties and minimize risks. By considering various possible outcomes, businesses can identify potential threats and opportunities and develop contingency plans. Coupled with effective risk management practices, scenario planning can enhance an organization's resilience and ability to adapt to change. Engaging employees in the change process. Employee engagement is critical for successful change initiatives. When employees are involved in the planning and implementation of change, they are more likely to buy into the process and support it. Engaging employees can be achieved through regular communication, soliciting feedback, and involving them in decision-making. Providing training and development opportunities can also help employees acquire the skills needed to adapt to new roles and responsibilities. That's all for today's video. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.